Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. So this recipe is especially for veggie lovers, but if you do not eat veggies, you gotta give it a try. Sweet and spicy roasted Brussels sprouts. You gotta try this recipe, so worth it. So let's get started and let's check out the ingredients.
And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much.
Alright, so here you go. I have washed these Brussels sprouts and then trim the top off and cut it in half. So this is how, these are the small ones, but there will be, you will find some of them are really big, so you can cut it in half and make another cut, but I just kept it as is, just half. So these are all washed and cut. I have these scallions, so I washed them and cut it just like so. I have 5 to 6 chopped garlic, and for topping I have this crispy onions, so this is going to enhance our recipe's flavor. Alright, in spices I have some butter and olive oil, dark soy sauce, and this is my chili garlic paste, and of course salt to taste. So let's get started with the Brussels sprouts recipe. So there are a couple different ways that you can make this recipe or roast the Brussels sprouts. I am using cast iron pan this time, but you can either use oven or air fryer. 1 tablespoon of oil, butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let the butter melt, and we will then saute the garlic, chopped garlic. Chopped garlic gives beautiful flavor. So let it turn slightly brown. Let's saute this. Oh wow, this aroma of garlic is just amazing. Let's add our Brussels sprouts and give that a good mix. I'm going to keep it covered for about 2 minutes after I add salt, because we haven't blanched these Brussels sprouts, only because my Brussels sprouts are the batch I got they're very tiny ones, they're very small, except 1 or 2, so that's what, just saute this and keep it covered for about 5 minutes so that steamed, and then we will follow the next process. I'm adding about half a tablespoon of salt, or salt as per your taste. And be careful while adding salt, because we are also going to add soy sauce later, but let these Brussels sprouts cook a little. So let's keep this covered for about 5 to 8 minutes. Alright, around 7 minutes are over, and let's see how it's cooked. We are not basically cooking it, we are just giving these Brussels sprouts some steam. And look at this, because once we add some more spices, we will be cooking it on a high flame, so I don't want to make it mushy right now, but let it be a little soft, so that's it. And I see they changed some color and they are ready for the next process. So basically we will be adding soy sauce, chili garlic paste, and black pepper powder. Alright, so I have added 1 tablespoon of chili garlic paste and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm turning my heat to high because we will be sauteing this on a high flame. Give that a good mix. If you do not like chili garlic paste or spiciness in this, you can totally skip that, but we like our veggies real spicy, so I've added that. So we'll be doing this on high flame. Make sure you're turning it high. Alright, so first spiciness, we added chili garlic paste. For sweetness, let's add some honey. So about half teaspoon of honey, and let's add our scallions. Look at the beautiful color. If you're not a veg eater, try this recipe. You will love it. So this dish is almost done. We will be adding our crispy onions. You can totally skip adding crispy onions. I have it, so I'm adding it. It just enhances the taste like anything. Squeezing about 1 tablespoon of lemon just for the nice tangy flavor. And add our crispy onions. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. It depends on how much you like it. We just love it. Alright, so this dish is done. Nice and easy, quick recipe, and very, very tasty recipe. And look at this, guys. Now steaming hot, nice and spicy. Roasted Brussels sprouts in no time. Alright, so I hope you will try this recipe at home, and if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home and let me know your feedback. Nice and easy roasted Brussels sprouts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.